guidance in the increasingly complex industries of electronics manufacturing and fiber optics installation, particularly in the cleaning fluids and tools used to deliver perfectly clean parts and networks to minimize costs and maximize performance. MicroCare and its Sticklers division are the leading cleaning specialists in electronics assembly, telecommunications, and other vital markets. We provide the most advanced, off-the-shelf, and customized products, engineered for successful cleaning while ensuring compliance and safety. Our knowledgeable sales team and application specialists can guide your cleaning processes with on-site audits and ongoing training. Our world-class lab chemists perform contamination analysis and cleaning trials to give expert recommendations on the best products and processes for you. MicroCare and Sticklers have all the tools you need to make cleaning better, faster, safer, and at the lowest cost per part cleaned. When you need perfectly clean splices and connectors, visit sticklerscleaners.com and discover perfectly clean at microcare.com.